friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we will be making either one or two or one lucky four-leaf clover ring. You'll have enough supplies to make either these two or this one ring, so watch to the end, see which design you like best. Come join me and I'll show you how to make them.
All right, friends, so in your kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find 4 green chenille stems or pipe cleaners, and you'll also need some additional items, scissors and a pencil. And you have enough materials in your kit to make 2 rings. You could make one style or the other, or one of each, and you can keep them for yourself or you can share. It's totally up to you. So let's start by making this type of ring. Take 2 of our chenille stems, and we're gonna find the midpoint. You can fold it if you'd like to find the midpoint, and then we're gonna start twisting. This is gonna be your ring. All right, so then you're gonna fit it to whichever finger you would like. You don't wanna make it too tight. So I need to twist a little bit more and a little bit more for it to fit my ring finger. And then once you've twisted enough, you're going to twist them together. Now I take it off my finger to do that and twist these 2 together. Not too many times, just twice is enough. And that's your ring. Just refit it, make sure that it fits still. And each of these is going to be a leaf of your 4-leaf clover. So you can separate them out. And now, to make this style of ring, what we're gonna do is we are going to start by just twisting this in. So just a little twist, twist, twist. And we're gonna twist it all the way until we reach that center. Then we'll do that for the remaining 3 pipe cleaners. All right, now you can actually even leave it like that and you could be done. That looks like a 4-leaf clover, or if you wanted to put a little notch in it so that it looks more like a 4-leaf clover in nature, you can do that. So you can either use your pencil or your finger to kind of push that down and shape it more into like a little heart shape. Okay, so on the top, I'm gonna just push it in and shape it. And again, push it in and shape it. Again, if you wanted to use your pencil, you can push it in like that. And there you go, there's your ring. Beautiful, right? All right, for our next design, we are gonna start out the same way and twist in the middle. Until you can fit the finger that you'd like. And you want these to be pretty even on top. And then, I'm gonna fit this finger this time. All right, and then I'm just gonna give a twist. So there's my ring, make sure it fits, very good. And we're gonna start out the same way by separating these out. Now for this design, the open hearts, we're going to just start out probably about 2 pencil lengths and give a twist it around the pencil. And now that's going to be the first start of the heart, and then bend it up And then we'll twist around the pencil again. So we have formed a little heart. Okay, just leave this for now, and we're going to try to keep it about the same size. So about right there, that's where we're going to do our first wrap around the pencil. Bend it up and wrap around the pencil again for your second leaf. And now for the third, we're going to try to do the same thing. Bend it around your pencil. We're going to bend it up and bend this part around the pencil again. Same thing for this last one. We are going to try to keep it around the same size. Bend that around the pencil. Make a little notch or a little fold up and bend around the pencil again. Great, all right, so it's starting to come together, but now we need to do something with all of these loose stems, right? So we're just gonna put them underneath and then bend it up and put it through again, and one more time, bend it up. Okay, be careful of these sharp edges. All right, with this next one, we're gonna bend it down, bring it up and around. The next one, bring it down, and then up and around, and then the last one, bring it down and up and through. Now the important part with this ring is that all of the sharp edges are on top, okay? Because you don't want to put the ring on and have it hurt your finger. So make sure that they're all on top, shape or reshape. And then the other thing, I can see some metal here and I don't really want to see that. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cut those pieces off. Be careful because they might fly, so. All right. And there you have your open 4-leaf clover ring and your closed 4-leaf clover ring. So whichever one you like to do, or you like the design of better, or you want to try, go ahead and try one or the other. If you like one better than the other, just do that. All right, friends, here is the super secret way to make one ring using all 4 pipe cleaners. You will need your pencil and your scissors as well. Let me show you how to make it. So you're gonna start with a spiral. So start by making a spiral on each of the pipe cleaners one at a time. You're gonna leave a bit of a stem on the end, okay? So do that to all 4. All right, now that we have the 4 of them, what we're gonna do is one at a time, just thread the end through to make a little stem, okay? And then we're gonna shape each of these into like a little heart shape. So if you want to use your pencil to do that, you can, and shape it like that. So do that to all 4. All right, now we have 4 leaves and we're gonna put them together. Don't worry too much if one is longer than the other. You'll see it'll all work out. But you can reshape as you need to. And then we're going to put them all together, all 4 leaves. And at the base here, when we put them together, we're going to just twist, and we're going to twist all the way down. And mine aren't this even right here, and that's going to be okay. So now what we're going to do is just open up this 4-leaf clover, separate the leaves. Okay, and now with this stem, I mean, if you don't have to make it into a ring if you don't want to, you can just leave it like that. If you want, put it around the finger that you'd like your ring to go on and bend it up. And now what we're gonna do is give it a little bit more room, and we're gonna try to go through and around so that these sharp ends are going to be facing up. Okay, so make sure there are no sharp ends facing down where you're going to be putting that on your finger. And then again, just go ahead and reshape it. Now, if you need to, if you have extra that you want to cut off, you can go ahead and do that. Mine actually came out pretty good this time, but the last time I tried it, I cut off. Well, here, I'm going to cut this end off. Again, be careful when you're cutting this, face it down so that it doesn't fly into your eye, okay? And that is the ring with all 4 pipe cleaners. Remember to clean up. Nice job.
So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your 4-leaf clover ring, and I hope you'll wear it on St. Patrick's Day or whenever you need a little luck. Please check our calendar for more upcoming events, and thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.